English Spring Collection. Spring cleaning. April showers bring May flowers. Spring is in the air. Easter bonnet, as fresh as a daisy. Spring cleaning. This expression refers to the act of making a fresh start or getting rid of old and unwanted things in life, beyond just cleaning physical space. I'm going to spend this weekend doing some serious spring cleaning in my house, getting rid of old clothes and scrubbing the floors until they shine. April showers bring May flowers. This saying suggests that rainy weather in April will result in the blooming of flowers in May. Don't be discouraged by the rainy weather this month. Just remember, April showers bring May flowers. Spring is in the air. This saying suggests a feeling of excitement and new beginnings as spring arrives. I can feel it. Spring is in the air. It's time to start planning our summer holidays. Easter bonnet. This term is used to describe a decorative hat worn by women on Easter Sunday. My grandmother always wore a beautiful Easter bonnet to church on Easter Sunday, adorned with flowers and ribbons. As fresh as a daisy. It means to feel rejuvenated and full of energy, much like the way a daisy appears fresh and vibrant in the springtime. After a good night's sleep, I woke up feeling as fresh as a daisy and ready to tackle the day ahead.